Hi everyone. In this video, we will do the estimation of septic tank and the soak pit. We all know that the septic tank or the soak pit means they are the structures which are used to treat the wastewater which is generated from household activities. Okay. So in this particular video, we will do the complete estimation of the septic tank as well as the soak pit. Okay. And I have given a link in the description of this video. You will be able to download these notes to that link. So anyway, I will start doing the estimation of this septic tank or the soak pit. Okay. uh, Before going to start doing the calculations, let us go through the problem once. Okay, prepare a detailed estimation of septic tank with soak pit soak pit for 25 users from the given drawings. Here you can see the drawings are given. So there are two structures, one is septic tank, another one is soak pit. Okay, so this diagram is the plan of the septic tank, and this plan is elevation of the septic tank, and on the other side this is plan of the or the top view of the soak pit, and here you can see the sectional elevation of the soak pit. Okay, then septic tank shall be of first class brickwork in 1:4 cement mortar. Okay, here this septic tank is constructed by using first class brickwork of 1:4 cement mortar. 1:4 ratio cement mortar is used for construction of the masonry all around the septic tank. Okay, foundation and floor shall be of 1:3:6 cement concrete. Here this portion. Okay, this portion, foundation and the floor, it is made of 1:3:6 cement concrete. Then inside of septic tank shall be finished with 12 cement plaster. Okay, here the surface, inside surface of septic tank is there. No, it is finished with 12 cement plaster, and floor is finished with 20 cement plaster. Okay, the floor of the septic tank is finished with 20 cement plaster, and the ratio of the cement mortar is same only, that is 1:3. Okay, 1:3 mortar mixed with standard waterproofing compound. Okay, for both walls of the septic tank and the floor of the septic tank, 1:3 cement mortar is used, but the thickness of the cement plaster for the walls of the septic tank is 12 and thickness of the cement mortar or thickness of the plastering for floor of the septic tank is 20 Okay, upper and lower portion of the soak pit shall be of second class brickwork in 1:6 1:6 cement mortar. The upper and lower portion. Okay, this portion, this is upper portion of the soak pit, and this is lower portion of the soak pit. This is also upper portion of the soak pit. It is made of second class brickwork. Second class brickwork with 1:6 cement mortar, and the middle portion shall be of dry brickwork. Okay, here there is no cement mortar used between joints of the brick. It is a dry brickwork. Just bricks are stacked one above the other. Okay, the main purpose of providing this dry brickwork is to absorb the treated water, and to send the treated water to the surrounding soil. Okay, surrounding soil. The whole structures, both the septic tank and soak pit, they are below the ground level only. Okay, full structures are below the ground level except cover. RCC is cover. Remaining all components are fully below the ground level. Okay, here also you can see both the structures are fully below the ground level. Okay, covering slabs and buffalo wall shall be of precast RCC. The length of connecting pipe from latrine seat may be taken as 3 meter. Okay, from the latrine of the home or the house, the connecting pipe is having around 3 meter length. Okay, that is what the meaning. Okay, now this is the question regarding septic tank. Now let us start doing the actual estimation one by one. Okay, there are around 11 different items that we have to do the estimation. Okay, generally for the point of our examination, these questions will be given. Okay, particular items of work to be estimated will be given in the question paper, that you need to do the estimation for the given items of the work. Generally all 11 items will not be given in the examination. Most of the times uh, most of the times 5 to 6, maximum 6 different items of work will be asked for the estimation. Okay, now we will start doing the estimation. First uh, thing that we have to do is calculation of earthwork in excavation. Calculation of earthwork in excavation. Okay, for both the septic tank and the soak pit. Okay, so first we will do the earthwork in calculation of earthwork in excavation for the septic tank. So first one, septic tank. Septic tank. Okay, let us go to the diagram. Earthwork in excavation for the septic tank. Okay, coming to the number. Okay, number is one only. There is only one number of septic tank. Now we have to identify what is length of the excavation, what is width of the excavation or breadth of the excavation, and height of the excavation. Multiplying all, we will get the quantity. Okay, coming to the total length of the excavation. Total length of the excavation, the length and width you will be able to calculate by referring to the plan. Okay, length and width of the uh, excavation you will be able to identify by using the plan, and height of the excavation you will be able to calculate it by using the elevation, by using the elevation. Now coming to the overall length of the excavation. Okay, means from here to here, from here to here, whatever the length we get, that will be the total length of the excavation. And whatever the length we will get from here to this corner to this corner, that will be the total width of the excavation. Then height of the excavation we will find using this elevation. First we will estimate length of the excavation. Total length of the excavation, it will be equal to inner dimension of the septic tank is given, it is 200 centimeter. Whatever the dimensions given here, all dimensions are in terms of centimeter. Okay, inner to inner dimension is 200 centimeter, nothing but 2 meter plus. Here we have a wall of the septic tank. Okay, it has two steps. Okay, first step is having 30 centimeter thickness, second step is having 20 centimeter thickness. Okay, and overall inner from here to here, from here to here, the overall thickness is given as 40 centimeter. Okay, so inner to inner length is 2 meter. Okay, from this inner wall to the outer surface of this, from means this corner. Okay, from here to here, this length is given as 40 centimeter. Okay, so this 40 centimeter, 30 centimeter, 20 centimeter, they are same all around the periphery of the septic tank. Okay, it is having same dimensions. So on one side we have 40 centimeter, on the other side 40 centimeter. So 200 plus zero point 0.4 plus zero point 0.4 plus zero point 0.4 will give total length of the excavation. Coming to the total width of the excavation, inner to inner dimension is 90 centimeter, nothing but 0.9 meter plus 0.4 on one side, 0.4 on other side, 0.4 plus 0.4. Let me write the same calculation here. Length is L is equal to 2 plus zero point 0.4 plus zero point 0.4, 2.8 meter. Okay. Width B is equal to 0.9 plus 0.3 plus 0.3. So 0.4 plus 0.4. So it will be how much? 1.7 meter. 1.7 meter. So length is 2.8 meter. So in terms of meter, width is 1.7 meter. Coming to the height of the excavation. Height of the excavation means from the ground level to the bottom of the septic tank. Whatever the height we get, that will be the total height of the excavation. For that much height, we have to do the excavation. Okay. Now we will estimate that height. Here from the ground level, okay, the water level is 30 centimeter plus 140 centimeter, and here inside of the septic tank is having sloped floor. Okay, let me draw one horizontal here for the calculation purpose. I'll draw one horizontal here. I'll draw one horizontal here. So it now we can see a right angle triangle here inside. Okay, for the sloping floor. So to estimate total height of the excavation from the ground level to the bottom of the tank, we will calculate from here. From here to here it is 30 centimeter. From this point to this point is 40 centimeter. So we have to find this length. Okay, to find this length, on one side, the height of the triangle is 0, and gradually the height will increases from 0 to here 10 centimeter. Okay, this height is 10 centimeter. From 0 to 10 centimeter, there is gradual increase in the height of the floor. Okay, it is a sloped floor. Therefore, at the middle, we will have average of these two. Means 0 plus 10 divided by 2. Nothing but 5 centimeter height. 5 centimeter height. Nothing but 0.05 centimeter height. 0.05 meter height. Okay, I hope you understood. Yeah, on the other side, on one side, sloping floor, height of the sloping floor from this horizontal dotted line is 0. On the right side, means the height will gradually increases. On the right side, it is 10 centimeter. At the middle, you have to take the average height, nothing but 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter in terms of meter is 0.05 meter. From this horizontal line to bottom of the floor, it is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. It is given in the diagram only here. Here it is given. Okay. Therefore, total height of the excavation is 30 plus 140 means 0.3 meter plus 1.4 meter plus 0.05 meter. Okay. Total height of the excavation is 30 centimeter, 0.3 meter plus 1.4 meter plus 0.05 meter plus 20 means 0.2 meter. Okay. I'll write the same calculation here. Total height of the excavation H is equal to 0.3 plus 1.4 plus average height 0.05. If you want, I'll write the detailed calculation. That is average of 0 plus 0.1 divided by 2. On one side it is 0, on the other side it is 0.1. If you do the average, you will get 0.05 plus 0.2 means thickness of the concrete floor, CC floor. Therefore, height is equal to 1.95 meter. If you calculate that, you will get 1.95 meter. 1.95 meter. Okay. So multiplying all number, length, width and height, you will get the quantity. You will get it as 9.28 cubic meter. 9.28 cubic meter. Okay. Now The calculation of earthwork in excavation for the septic tank is over. Similarly, we will calculate the earthwork in excavation for the soak pit. Earthwork in excavation for the soak pit. Remember, the septic tank, whatever given, it is having rectangular shape, and soak pit is having circular shape. Okay, so we have to apply the suitable geometrical formula to calculate the quantities. Okay, now we will do the calculation of earthwork in excavation for the soak pit. Okay, coming to the so as I said, this soak pit is having dimension circular dimension. Then how to calculate the total volume of earthwork in excavation? What you can do is, you can find area, total area of this circle. Okay, area of the circle, area of the circle, then multiply by its height. Multiply by its height, you will get the total volume of the earthwork in excavation. Earthwork in excavation. Okay, and the diameter of the excavation will changes at different heights. See, from here to here, from here to here, we have a diameter from this point to this point. Okay, 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 up to 50 plus 250, up to 300 centimeter depth, we will have some diameter, and below the, after 300 centimeter, means after 3 meter height. Okay, we have different diameter. Okay, we have to do the individual calculations. Okay, therefore initially we will calculate earthwork in excavation for soak it up to 3 meter depth, means 50 plus 250. Then we will calculate the earthwork in excavation for the next height. Okay, okay, so here let me write soak pit up to 3 meter depth. Soak pit up to 3 meter depth. Soak pit up to 3 meter depth. Number is 1 only. Okay, first we will see the what is the total diameter of the excavation. Okay, total diameter of the excavation means this total this length. Okay, inner to inner length is 100 centimeter. Then we have dry brickwork having thickness of 20 centimeter on both sides. After that, we have brick aggregates having 15 centimeter thickness. Okay, this layer is 15 centimeter. 15 centimeter. Okay, after that we have one more layer of coarse sand, that is also having 15 centimeter thickness. Therefore overall diameter, okay, overall diameter of the excavation, okay, this diameter is 100 plus 20 plus 20 plus 15 plus 50 plus 15 and plus 15 will give total diameter of the excavation. Therefore the calculation, diameter d diameter d is equal to diameter d is equal to 100 plus 20, means in terms of meter it is 1 plus 0.2 into 2, on both sides it is there, no? 1 plus 0.2 into 2 plus 0.15 into 2 plus 0.15 into 2. Okay, therefore it is 1 plus 0.2 into 2 first layer, second layer 0.15 into 2 plus third layer 0.15 into 2. Okay, you will get the answer as 2 meter. 2 meter. Now you got diameter of the excavation. Okay, you got diameter of the excavation. Diameter, knowing the diameter, you can find the area. Cross sectional area multiplied by height will give total volume of the excavation. Okay, so pi d square by 4 is the formula for area of the circle. Pi d square by 4, pi into 2 square by 4 will give cross sectional area. Okay, cross sectional area of the circle multiplied by height. Here we will not take width, Directly we are calculating the cross sectional area of the circle multiplied by its height will give volume. Now we will calculate the total height. Height is already known, it is clearly mentioned in the diagram. 50 centimeter from the ground level, then plus 250 centimeter after uh, 50 centimeter, means total 2.5 plus 0.5 meter, which is equal to 0.5 plus 2.5 meter is the height of the excavation. Cross sectional area multiplied by height will give volume. So pi d square by 4 into 3. If you calculate now, you will get the answer as 9.42 cubic meter. Okay. Similarly, we will perform the calculation for the lower portion of the soak pit. Okay. Now we have done calculation for this volume. Okay. This complete volume we have the upper layer. Okay. Now for the lower portion of the soak pit, we will do the earthwork in excavation calculation. Third one. Third one. Soak pit lower portion. Soak pit lower portion. Okay. Whatever the way we have calculated the upper portion, no, same way we have to calculate the quantity. Number is 1. So for lower portion, what is the diameter? Inside diameter is 100. From here to here it is 100 centimeter plus 0.2 on one side plus 0.2 on the other side. So 1 plus 0.2 into 2 will be the total diameter. D is equal to 1 plus 0.2 into 2. It will give 1.4 meter. Okay. Therefore here pi into 1.4 square by 4 will give area. Height. What is the height? Lower portion height. It is given 20 centimeter. Nothing but 0.2 meter. 0.2 meter. Quantity, if you calculate pi d square by 4, pi into 1.4 square divided by 4 into 0.2, if you calculate, you will get the answer as 0.3 cubic meter. Now you calculate the total quantity. Calculate the total quantity. So total is equal to 9.28 plus 9.42 plus 0.3. You will get the answer as 19 cubic meter. Okay, this is the final answer for earthwork in excavation for septic tank and the soak pit. Okay. Now we will go for the next item of work, that is cement concrete 1 is to 3 is to 6. Okay. In the floor and foundation. Okay, in floor and foundation. In floor and foundation of septic tank. In floor and foundation of septic tank. Okay. Now cement concrete floor is provided in the septic tank, you can see here. Okay. So we have to calculate the total volume of this cement concrete provided at the floor and foundation of the septic tank. Okay. Foundation means this rectangular portion, floor means this triangular portion inside the septic tank. Okay. Now initially we will calculate the total quantity of this rectangular portion. Total quantity of the rectangular portion. First one. Okay. Floor and foundation. Floor and foundation. Okay. Number is 1. Okay. Number is 1. Coming to the total length. This length. Okay. Total length of the cement concrete bed. Okay. And total width of the cement concrete bed. This width. Okay. We have already calculated in earthwork in excavation. Okay. See, whatever the length and width for which you do the excavation of the earth, the same length and for the same width we have to pour the concrete. We have to pour the uh, uh, pour concrete. Okay, concrete of the foundation. Therefore, whatever the length you got for length and width that you got for earthwork is in excavation, copy the same numbers. No need to calculate it once again. So here 2.8 meter is the length, 1.7 meter is the width. 2.8 meter is the length, 1.7 meter is the width. Here you can write in the remarks L and B are same as above. Same as above. Okay, that like that you can write a remark. Okay, and only the change is height of the concrete. What is the height of the concrete? See, we are doing for rectangular portion. Okay, height of the concrete is 0.2 meter. Only change is there in the height 0.2 meter. 0.2 meter. Multiply all the values, you will get the answer as 0.95. 0.95 cubic meter. Okay. Now for the foundation, we have done the calculation. Means this much portion we have done the calculation. Okay. Now inside the septic tank, there is a sloping floor provided. Okay, inside the septic tank there is a sloping floor provided. We have to calculate the volume of this is sloping floor, total volume of the sloping floor. Okay, so here I'll write sloping floor, second one sloping floor number is 1. What is length of the sloping floor? Inside the septic tank is provided, means this portion inside, only it is inside. Okay, inside the septic tank that sloping floor is provided. Length of the sloping floor is how much? Whatever the inner to inner length we have, that will be the length of the sloping floor. How much it is given? It is given as 200 centimeter. It is given as 200 centimeter, nothing but 2 meter. Coming to the width of the sloping floor, it is 90 centimeter. So 2 meter is the length, 0.9 meter is the width of the sloping floor. 2 meter length, 0.9 meter is the width of the sloping floor. That sloping floor provided inside the septic tank, remember. Okay, so it will have inner dimensions only, 2 meter and 0.9 meter. Coming to the height of the sloping floor, it is sloping floor. It is continuously varying. The height of the sloping floor is continuously varying with the length. At this point, at the starting point, it is 0, and gradually the height of the sloping floor is varying up to 10 centimeter at the end. So you take the average height. Already we have calculated average height. How much it is? 0.05 meter at the beginning in the first calculation. So I will take 0.05 meter as average height of the sloping floor. Multiply all, you will get the answer as 0.09 cubic meter. Okay, so height is average height. Take an average height 0 plus 0.1 divided by 2, 0.05 meter. Okay, now we can calculate the total quantity finally for the second item of work. Total is equal to, if you calculate the total quantity, we will get the answer as 1.04 cubic meter. 1.04 cubic meter. So this completes the calculation of cement concrete 1:3:6 in floor and foundation of the septic tank. Okay, next very important item of work, that is first class brickwork in 1:4 cement mortar in septic tank. Okay, let me erase all these writings. Okay, what is the next item of work? Class brickwork in 1:4 cement mortar in septic tank. Okay, here these walls are there, no? The walls of the septic tank, they are made of class brickwork with 1:4 cement mortar. This volume we have to calculate. Okay, volume of these walls we have to calculate. All around the periphery of the septic tank, in a it is a rectangular room. It is like a rectangular room only. Okay, all around the periphery the walls are constructed, and that wall is constructed in two layers. Up to certain height it is having 30 centimeter thickness, and after that the thickness of the wall is 20 centimeter. Thickness of the wall is 20 centimeter. Okay, up to 60 centimeter height the thickness of the wall is 30 centimeter. After 60 centimeter height the thickness is reduced to 20 centimeter. Okay, so while doing the calculations we have to do the individual calculations for first step, that is the wall having 30 centimeter thickness, and second step, that is wall having 20 centimeter thickness. Okay, so we will adopt long wall short wall method here to calculate the total quantity of the masonry work. Okay, initially we'll do the calculation for the long walls. Okay, for long walls. Okay, then first step, then second step. Okay, so we all know that in case of long wall short wall method, along the long walls we have to take outer to outer dimensions, and along the short walls we have to take inner to inner dimensions. Okay, total length of the brickwork means from distance from here to here, outer to outer distance. What will be the distance? It is 20 centimeter. Okay, means distance from here to here, here to here. Okay, this is the 30 centimeter thickness wall. Okay, this portion 30 centimeter thickness wall. Total length we have to calculate. Total length of the wall is how much? Inner to inner given as 200 centimeter. From here to here it is 30. So 200 plus 30 on one side plus 30 on other side. Okay, here it is given 30 centimeter thickness of the wall. Step. Okay, first step is having 30 centimeter thickness. So 200 plus 30 plus 30. Okay, here it is mentioned. You can see 30 centimeter. 200 plus 30 plus 30 means 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 will be the total length of the first step. L is equal to 2 plus 0.3 plus 0.3 will get 2.6 meter as length of the first step. Then what is width of the first step? It is having 30 centimeter thickness. Width means breadth of the wall. It is a 30 centimeter, 0.3 meter, 0.3 meter. Height of the step, it is given, clearly given in the diagram, 60 centimeter, 0.6 meter. Okay, coming to the second step. Just a minute. Numbers I forgot to write. There are two number of long walls. There are two number of long walls. Let me mention that two number of long walls. Here in place of numbers I have written length. Let me change it. Okay, here it is 0.2. This becomes 0.3 and height becomes 0.6. So numbers is 2. Two number of long walls. Okay, two number of long walls. You multiply all the values. This is 2.6. 2.6 meter. Length of the wall is, we have calculated as 2.6 meter. Length of the wall is 2.6 meter, and width of the wall is 0.3 meter. Height of the wall 60 centimeter. 0.6 meter. If you calculate the answer, you will get the total quantity as 0.94 cubic meter. Okay. Similarly, we will do the calculation for the second step. For the second step, what is the total length? What is the total length? Inner to inner length is given as 200. Okay. Second step is having how much? Thickness of 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter. So it is 200 plus 20 plus 20, or in terms of meter it is 2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. L is equal to 2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. You will get 2.4 meter as length. So numbers is 2. There are two number of short walls. Here left side one side, one number, and the right side one number. Two number of short walls and two number of long walls. Don't forget to take these numbers. Okay. Two number of short walls. Length is 2.4 meter. Okay, and thickness of the wall is 0.2 meter. Second step, no, it is having 0.2 centimeter. thickness or width. Coming to the height of second step, means we want distance from here to here. Okay, this distance we want. Actually, this distance is not given in the diagram. We have to calculate it. We have to calculate it. Okay, so it is you know this distance 30 plus 140 plus here it is 0.05. Okay, 0.05 we already calculated in the first step, the 0.05 meter, right? Overall length from here to here minus 60 centimeter if you do, you will get the height of the second step. Okay, therefore it is 0.3 plus 1.4 plus 0.05 minus 0.6. Let me write the same calculation here. Height of the second step, h is equal to 0.3 plus 1.4 plus 0.05 minus height of the first step, it is 0.6. 0.6 will give height of the second step, that you will get it as 1.1 meter. 1.1 meter. So height is 1.1 meter. So 1.15 you will get height. 1.15. 1.15. Total quantity if you calculate now, you will get it as 1.10 cubic meter. Okay, 1.10 cubic meter. So to this we have done with calculation of the masonry work along the long walls. Similarly, we have to do the calculation for the short walls. Short walls. Short walls. Okay. Initially, we have to do the calculation for the first step. Okay, first step. See, numbers is two only. There are two number of short walls. Two number of short walls. Okay. Numbers is two. Then coming to the length of the short walls, we have to take inner to inner length here. Okay. Along the while doing the calculation for the long walls, we have already taken into consideration of the outer to outer length. Outer to outer length. So means not here. Up to here we have already taken. Okay. Up to here we have already taken the length. While doing the calculation for long walls up to this length. Okay. 2 meter plus zero point 0.3 on one side plus 0.3 on the other side. Already we have taken. This volume is already been calculated. Now along the short walls, what you have to do? You have to take only the clear dimension, clear inner to inner length. Okay, inner to inner length, this length. Okay, what is this length? It is 90 centimeter. Okay, there won't be any extra length. Inner to inner length we have to calculate. This is the main principle behind the long wall short wall method. Along long wall you have to take outer to outer length. Along the short wall you have to take inner to inner length, that is clear dimensions. So length is 0.9 meter. So length is 0.9 meter. Coming to the thickness and height of the step of the wall, it remains the same. You copy the same numbers, 0.3 and 0.6. Okay, so here we can write a note. Okay, we can write a note. B and height are same as above. Same as above. B and height are same as above. Here you will get the quantity as 0.32 cubic meter. 0.32 cubic meter. Then we'll do the calculation for the second step. Second step, numbers is two number of short walls are there. For second step, again you need to take clear dimension, 0.9 meter only. Okay, 0.9 meter. Only the change is there in the thickness. Okay, 0.2, 0.2 and 1.15. Okay, same numbers 2 and 1.5, 0.2 and 1.15, same numbers you need to copy. Okay, width and height remains the same. Inner dimension only you need to take, because along the long walls we have already considered outer to outer dimension. Okay, therefore the quantity that you get is 0.42 cubic meter. Now you can calculate the total quantity of the masonry work. Therefore total is equal to total quantity is equal to addition of all these numbers, that you will get it as 2.78 cubic meter. 2.78 cubic meter. Okay, this completes the calculation of first class brickwork in 1:4 cement mortar in septic tank. Okay, next item of work is second class brickwork in 1:4 cement mortar in soak pit. In soak pit. Okay, second class brickwork. Let me erase all these things. Okay, in soak pit we have a second class brickwork. So here we have two portions. One is lower portion. Okay, second class brickwork. One is upper portion, second class brickwork. We have to calculate the uh, quantity of this second class brickwork which is provided in the soak pit. First we will do the calculation for the upper portion. Upper portion. Upper portion. Okay, upper portion is having an height of 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. For 50 centimeter height, we will calculate the total quantity of the second class brickwork in the soak pit. Now the question comes how to calculate this volume. Okay, how to calculate this volume? See, to calculate this volume, it is like a cylinder. Okay, okay, this is the wall. Okay, this is the wall. Inside, it is a hollow portion. It is hollow portion, and it is constructed for an height of how much? For an uh, height of 50 centimeter. 50 centimeter. Height is 50 centimeter. Okay, height is 50 centimeter. Okay, now question comes how to calculate this volume. Here to calculate the volume, what you can do is you can first calculate the average diameter. Okay, calculate average diameter. Average diameter will calculate. Average diameter will be how much? Means average diameter means center to center distance. Center to center distance between these walls. Inner to inner dimension is 100. Thickness of the second class brickwork is 20 centimeter. So half means here you will get 10 centimeter on one side, 10 centimeter on the other side. Okay. So 100 plus 10 plus 10, how much? 120. 1.2 meter will be the average diameter. 1.2 meter will be the average diameter. Now knowing the average diameter, we can calculate the periphery or perimeter of the circle. Means perimeter means what? Length of the circle. Total length of the circle is nothing but perimeter. So you have the formula 2 pi r formula in terms of radius, or 2 into r is diameter, or pi d formula. Okay, so average diameter is known. Using pi d formula we calculate total perimeter. Perimeter multiplied by thickness will give area. Area multiplied by height will give volume. Okay, this is how you need to calculate the volume. Repeat once again. You calculate the, so this is a hollow, inside it is having hollow portion, that is why it has got different calculation. First you calculate the average diameter. Okay, average diameter is inner to inner is 100 centimeter plus 0.2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. You will get average diameter. D is equal to 1 plus 0.2 by 2 plus 0.2 by 2. 1.2 meter is the mean diameter. Okay, mean diameter. So mean diameter Knowing the mean diameter, we calculate the total length or total perimeter. You have the formula pi into d, pi into d, pi into 1.2. Okay, will give total length of circle. Total length of the circle multiplied by this thickness width. Okay, how much width it is having? It is having thickness of 20 centimeter, 0.2 meter. Okay, number is 1. Let me write. Number is 1. Number is 1. Pi into d. Pi into 1.2 and thickness is 0.2 meter. What is height? Height is 50 centimeter, 0.5 meter. 0.5 meter. So calculating the mean depth, you can calculate the perimeter, but perimeter multiplied by thickness will give area. Area multiplied by height will give volume. Okay. So the final answer is 0.38. 0.38. Similarly, you need to calculate the quantity for the lower portion. Quantity for the lower portion. Number is 1. Lower portion is also having an average diameter of same as upper portion, 1.2 meter. Okay. Only the change is there in the height. Upper portion is having 50 centimeter height, lower portion is having 20 centimeter height. Okay, only change is there in the height. Its pi d remains the same, pi into 1.2. 1.2. Thickness of the wall is same only, 0.2 meter only. Only the height is changes, that is 0.2 meter. Okay, or else you can add this height here, 0.7 you can do, and final answer you will get directly. Okay, but it is better to calculate individually for upper portion and lower portion. 0.15. Okay, answer is 0.15. So calculate the total quantity of second class brickwork in the soak pit is 0.53 cubic meters. 0.53 cubic meters. So this completes the calculation of second class brickwork in soak pit. Then we'll do the calculation for second class dry brickwork in soak pit. Dry brickwork means here this portion. Okay, this portion. Second class dry brickwork. Same way, whatever the way we have calculated the first class brickwork, second class brickwork, no, same way we have to calculate the dry brickwork. Okay, first I calculate the average diameter. Average diameter will be the same, 20 cm, 1.2 meter only, because both are having the same thickness. Okay, second class brickwork and second class dry brickwork both are having the same thickness. Average diameter will be 1.2 meter and width will be 20 centimeter, nothing but 0.2 meter, and height is 2.5 meter, 250 centimeter. Okay, directly I'll do the calculation here. Average mean diameter is 1 plus 0.2 divided by 2 plus 0.2 divided by 2, 1.2 meter. Okay, number is 1. So perimeter we will get as pi into 1.2 meter, pi into 1.2 meter. Then thickness is 0.2 meter only, and height is 2.5 centimeter. Sorry, 2.5 meter. Okay, 2.5 meter. See, perimeter and thickness same as above, correct? Only the height is changes 2.5 centimeters per meter. Total quantity is 1.88 cubic meter. 1.88 cubic meter. You will get the answer as 1.88 cubic meter. Okay. Next item of work is precast RC work. Precast RC work. So here RC means reinforced concrete work. We have reinforced concrete work in total 3 items. One is roof cover of the slab. Roof cover of the slab. Second one is roof cover of the soak pit, and third one is this buffel wall. Okay, it is also made of RCC. Here it is mentioned in the figure. You can see 4 centimeter RCC buffel wall. So there are 3 components which are made of RCC. So we have to calculate the total quantity of each and individual components. Then adding together, you will get the total quantity of RCC work. Okay. Now initially we will do the calculation for roof cover of septic tank. First one roof cover of septic tank. Roof cover of septic tank. Okay, it is very simple. Number is 1. We have one number of roof cover. What is length of the roof cover? So here in the diagram you can see. Inner to inner dimension is 200 centimeter. Okay, plus add zero point 0.2 on one side, zero point 0.2 on the other side. Of course, there is some projection provided. We will ignore this portion. We will ignore this portion and we will calculate only volume of this thing. If you want, we can assume some extra length, zero point 0.1 or 0.15 meter on both sides. But we will ignore this length. We will calculate up to here. Okay, up to here, here to here. Okay, here to here. Inner to inner is 200 centimeter. Thickness here is 20 plus 20. So 2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 is the length. Similarly, width of the cover, manual septic tank cover is 90 centimeter inner to inner plus 0.2 plus 0.2. Okay, is the width, and thickness of the septic tank, thickness of the slab is given as 7.5 centimeter, nothing but 0.075 meter. I'll take the same calculation. L is equal to 2 plus 0.2 plus 0.2, 2.4 meter, and width of the RCC cover in the septic tank in inner to inner dimension is 0.9 meter plus 0.2 meter plus 0.2 meter, 1.3 meter. So 2.4 meter is the length, 1.3 meter is the width, and thickness is 7.5 centimeter. Thickness of the RCC slab is given as 7.5 centimeter. It will be 0.075 meter. It will be 0.075 meter. Quantity that you get is 0.234 cubic meter. Okay. To this roof cover calculation for the septic tank is over. Similarly, we have to calculate the roof cover calculation for the soak pit. Okay, it is having circular. Okay, it is a circular cover because the cross section is circular, correct? Okay, for this much portion it is provided. For this much portion, that roof cover of the septic tank is provided. Okay, from here to here is the diameter. Okay, we will ignore this extra projection. Okay, so diameter of the roof cover is how much? 100 plus 20 plus 20, 1.4 meter. So diameter D is equal to 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2, 1.4 meter. Okay, number is 1. Roof cover of soak pit. Okay, number is 1. Diameter is 1.4 meter. Using diameter, you can calculate the area. Pi d square by 4, pi into 1.4 square by 4. You will get the area. Area multiplied by thickness of the slab. Thickness of the slab here it is how much? Same thickness, 7.5 centimeter. So 0.075 only, 0.075. Cross sectional area. Okay, multiplied by height will give volume. You multiply both, you will get the answer as 0.115 cubic meter. Okay, then third RCC member is buffel wall. Buffel wall number is 1. One number of buffel wall is there. Okay, coming to the length, width and height of the buffel wall. See, length of the buffel wall you will get it in the plan. Okay, this is the length of the buffel wall. Okay, how much it is? 90 centimeter. Coming to the width of the buffel wall, here it is mentioned 4 centimeter RCC buffel wall. This is 4 centimeter width. Height of the buffel wall 30 plus 15. Okay, so 0.9 meter, 0.04 meter plus 0.3 plus and 0.3 plus 0.15 meter is the height of the buffel wall. Okay, L is equal to 0.9 meter and B is equal to 0. Okay, no need to write here. 0.9 meter, it is directly given in the diagram only. 0.9 meter. Width of the buffel wall is 0.04 meter. 4 centimeter is given, so it becomes 0.04 meter. And height of the buffel wall, H is equal to 30 plus 15. Okay, 30 inside the water means below the water level, 15 centimeter it is above the water level. Okay, so height is equal to 0.15 plus 0.3, 0.45 meter. So 0.45 meter is the height of the buffer wall. Multiply all, you will get the quantity as 0.018 cubic meter. Now we can calculate the total quantity by adding all the three values. Therefore, total is equal to 0.367 cubic meter. 0.367 cubic meter. This completes the calculation of the precast RC work. Okay. Next item of work is 20 mm cement plaster 1:3 with standard waterproofing compound in floor of the septic tank. Okay. Inside of the floor. Inside of the floor, no. Here they have to do the plastering. Okay. Inside of the septic tank, they are doing the plastering. They have to do the plastering inside of the septic tank. Here, plastering work is calculated in terms of meter square, not in terms of meter cube. Okay. Thickness, whatever the thickness of the plastering work, it is assumed to be very negligible. Therefore, always we will calculate the plastering work in terms of meter square. That is length multiplied by width. What are the whatever the inner dimension of the septic tank? For the same dimensions will be, we will do the plastering work in the floor. So 200 centimeter is the length of the plaster, 90 centimeter is the width of the plaster. So multiplying both, you will get area of the plastering work. Okay. So one number. Okay, 0.2 meter is the length, 0.9 meter is the width. Height we will not take into consideration for the plastering work because we have to get it in terms of meter square. The answer that you get is 1.8 square meter. 1.8 square meter. So this completes the 20 mm cement plaster for floor of the septic tank. Then 12 mm cement plaster with standard waterproofing compound in septic tank inside of the walls. Okay, these walls at this portion. Okay, so here they are doing 12 mm cement plaster. Okay, 12 mm cement plaster. Okay, all around the periphery. So here all around the periphery means all around the surface of the inside wall they are doing 12 mm cement plaster. They are doing 12 mm thickness cement plaster. So how to calculate this cement plastering work? Okay, you need to calculate total uh, uh, length along the long walls multiplied by height, and total length along the short walls multiplied by height will give total plastering work. Okay, we have to do the individual calculation for the long walls and the short walls. Okay, initially the long walls. How many number of long walls are there? There are two number of long walls. Okay, length for which the plastering is done is 200 centimeter, nothing but 2 meter. And height of the plastering work, you will get it from here. Height from here to here, average height. Okay, so it is 30 plus 140 plus 0.05 is the height. Okay, so here we are taking average height here. Okay, on one side height is higher, on the other side height is lower. So we will take the average height for the plastering. Understanding? On one side height is higher, height is more. Okay, on the other side height is less, height of the plastering. So you take the average height then. Average height. Average height if you take, you will get, you need to add this 0.05. So 30 plus 140 plus 0.05. Height is equal to 0.3 plus 1.4 is equal to 1.7 meter. 1.7 meter. Just a minute. Yes, you can take the average height, no problem. 1 point, sorry, plus 0.05. plus 0.05. You'll get the answer as 1.75 meter. 1.75 meter. Okay. Then here you write 1.75 meter. Let me calculate this answer. 2 into 2 into 1.75. How much we got? We got it as 7 square meter. Then along the short walls, you have to calculate the total quantity of the plastering work. Along the long walls we have calculated. Now along the short walls. Okay. The length will be 0.9 meter here. Okay. Along the short walls, the length of the plastering is 0.9 meter. Okay. Height remains the same. There won't be any change in the height. Numbers is 2. Okay. Numbers is 2. 0.9 meter is the total length of the plastering work for the short walls, and height remains the same, 1.75 meter. For this answer is 2 into 0.9 into 1.75. 2 into 0.9 into 1.75. It is how much? 3.15. 3.15 square meter. Okay. So the total plastering work is equal to how much it is? 7 plus 3.15 means we will get 10.15 square meter. Get 10.15 square meter as answer. Okay. Next item of work is 50 mm size brick aggregates. 50 mm size brick aggregates. So here this portion, outer layer is there, no? Here 50 mm size brick aggregates. This volume we need to calculate. Okay. The way we have calculated this dry brickwork, no, same way we have to calculate. Dry brickwork quantity we have calculated, no, same way. First we need to take average diameter multiplied by thickness will give area multiplied by means average perimeter. Okay, perimeter multiplied by thickness will give area multiplied by height will give volume. Here first we will calculate the average diameter. Average diameter means here to here, center to center distance. Inner to inner is 100 centimeter. You have dry brickwork of 20 centimeter thickness on both sides. 100 plus means 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2. Here plus 0.15 divided by 2 plus 0.15 divided by 2 will give average diameter. Okay. So here average diameter is equal to uh, it is 1 plus 0.2 plus 0.2 plus 0.15 divided by 2 plus 0.15 divided by 2. 1 plus 0.2 into 2 plus 0.15 divided by 2 plus 0.15 divided by 2. So we will get the average diameter as 1.55 meter. Okay. Number is 1. Perimeter we can calculate P into D, pi into 1.55. Okay. And multiply with its thickness. It is 0.15 thickness. Okay. It is having 0.15 width or the thickness 0.15. And total height of the dry brickwork. It is same as total height of the brick aggregates is same as height of the dry brickwork, that is 2.5 centimeter, 2.5 meter or 250 centimeter, 2.5 meter. Okay. You will get the answer as 1.83 cubic meter. See, whatever the calculation we have done now, it is for upper portion of the dry brick aggregates. Upper portion, we have done it for upper portion. At lower portion there is one more layer of dry brickwork. Okay, here Inside of the at the bottommost portion we have dry brickwork, and it is having how much diameter of 100 centimeter, 100 centimeter, and thickness of how much 20 centimeter. How to calculate this volume? First you calculate the area, pi d square by 4 multiplied by height will give volume of this lower portion. Therefore the lower portion, lower portion, lower portion number is 1, diameter is, inner diameter is how much? 100 centimeter, nothing but 1 meter. Pi d square by 4, pi d square by 4 multiplied by height. Height is 20 centimeter, 0.2, 0.2. Multiplying you will get answer as 0.16 cubic meter. Okay, 0.16 cubic meter. Now calculate the total quantity. Total quantity will be equal to, total quantity will be equal to 1.98 cubic meter, 1.98 cubic meter. Okay, and next is core sand outside of the soak pit. This layer, core sand, this layer is there now. Okay, whatever the way we have calculated this dry brick aggregate, so same way we have to calculate. First we have to calculate average diameter. What will be the average diameter now? 1 plus 0.2 into 2 plus 0.15 into 2 plus 0.15 divided by 2 plus 0.15 by 2 on the both side. Okay, therefore average diameter is equal to average dia or mean diameter is equal to 1 plus 0.2 into 2 plus 0.15 into 2, this is dry brickwork, plus 0.15 divided by 2 plus 0.15 divided by 2. By this we'll get mean diameter as 1.85 meter. Okay, so knowing the mean diameter we can calculate the perimeter by using the formula pi d, pi into d, pi into 1.85, and thickness of that core sand, it is 0.15. It is having thickness of 0.15. Okay, 0.15, and height of that core sand is also 2.5 meter only, 250 centimeter, 2.5 meter. Okay, so I forgot to write the number here. Actually the number will come, number is 1, number is 1. So pi into d, pi into 1.85, and thickness is 0.15 and height is 2.5 meter. Total quantity you will get it as 2.18 cubic meter. Okay, this completes the calculation of core sand outside the soak pit. Last step, iron footsteps of 16 mm diameter bar, and there is no calculation for this. You need to put the numbers. How many numbers just you count? Here we have iron one step, second, third, four steps are there. There are four number of iron footsteps. Just write the numbers as 4. Quantity you write 4 numbers. Okay. So these iron footsteps are calculated per piece. It is calculated. That is why you just need the number as quantity, 4 numbers. Okay. So this completes the complete estimation of septic tank and the soak pit. If you have got any doubts in any of the steps, you can uh, post your doubts in the comment box so that I can clarify your doubts. Okay, I hope this is understood for you all. Thank you.